Alright, it's about to start raining in a second. Let's get this cold start ready for you guys because we need to get this cold start ready, but it's not really cold start because I already started the car like 2 times already, but alright guys, this is your boy ZThruCharlie once again with another video for you guys, and it's somewhat sunny, not hot, but it is windy. But forget about the weather. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on IG Z.Thru.Charlie. And guys, if you guys already subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it so much. But my exhaust is epic. I have to say it's very epic. Since day one I got it 2 years ago. Been over 2 years since I had the exhaust, and it's an amazing exhaust. You guys can hear it right now, can you? It sounds amazing, right? Yes, it does. Let's continue. Alright, Fast Attention's exhaust. That's what my current exhaust, I believe, is the best sounding exhaust out there, because I'm here going to say it's a quick review on the exhaust, guys. Best exhaust ever right here. Did I say best exhaust ever? Yes, I did. I think it sounds amazing, and you get great performance gains from it, and it sounds good because I'm here about getting tone over loud. That's my key for getting exhaust. And I'm going to talk about this one real quick. Fast Attention Thru Duo exhaust, 12-inch resonators. Yes, I have a resonator because that's what I'm talking about. Tone is over loudness, guys. Look at it. But before we continue, how it looks, guys, on the way here on the gas station, you guys saw my little clip there. There was a guy who stopped me. He was like, yo, he said my exhaust looks epic, and I was like, the odds of somebody stopping me saying my exhaust looks epic is just crazy, because I decided to do a video on my exhaust already, but I just thought it was just funny. But anyways, let's continue. Thru Duo exhaust setup by Fast Attentions looks amazing. That's a plus for me. Looks amazing. And then the next thing I want to talk about is the tone. It sounds so good, guys. It sounds so good. You guys already have the little clip on my exhaust, but there's gonna be more later on, guys. There will be later on, guys. But it sounds amazing. I can't describe how much it sounds. It just looks great too. Just can't stop looking at it. But honestly, tone is key, guys. Tone is #1 factor for this exhaust, because it sounds like, I don't know how to describe it. It sounds like the stock exhaust, but better. And that's why I went with it. And also, I have other mods done to the car, but it makes it sound pretty good. But guys, this setup is clean. I think it's worth it. Fast Attentions did an amazing job with their work on this exhaust. And let's talk about some facts real quick. Performance gains. My butt dyno told me there were amazing gains on here. But let's talk about paper facts from Fast Attentions real quick. I'll put it somewhere around here, guys. They're saying it's 20 horsepower gain and 11 torque. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's a lot. And my butt dyno says I didn't gain 20 horsepower unless you get it tuned. I'm pretty sure if you tune to Z with this exhaust, you will get those numbers. But overall, guys, my butt dyno tells me I'm getting maybe 10 and 5 more torque. Honestly, that's what I'm gaining with my butt dyno. I just can't stop looking at it. It just looks great. According to Fast Attention's website, it's 20 horsepower gain, 11 torque. I'll say I'll believe those numbers if you dyno plus tune. That's the only way I believe those numbers. But right now, I will say it's pretty close. I'll say it's close up there. But oh man, such a nice day. But anyways, guys, some facts about the exhaust. Oh, let's talk about another fact for you guys. Weight. This one's about 12 pounds lighter than your stock exhaust. 12 pounds lighter, which is a decent amount. But if you really want to go for weight reduction for your exhaust, I'll say single exit exhaust. I'll recommend Tomei, ISR, or Grady. They're way lighter than Thru Duo exhaust. But for me, I went Thru Duo because it looks amazing in my eyes. I prefer Thru Duo exit exhaust versus single exit exhaust, just because I prefer the look than the whole performance gain. Because guys, I prefer this look than single exit exhaust. I seen single exit exhaust Z's. It looks cool, but it's not my style. Like I want to say, this is my style, guys. This is my way to do it. And wow, it's single exit exhaust. I looked up Tomei, and they're 16 pounds. That's roughly 30 pounds difference, and they have performance gains for sure. But I'm not. I am about performance gains, but I also prefer the looks. And I went faster tensions, and it just looks great, guys. Looks great, power gains there, and it sounds amazing. Just sounds amazing, guys. But another thing I want to talk about, how it sounds inside the car. Let's go inside real quick. Oh, it feels good in here because of the AC. But anyways, guys, wow, the engine. Do you hear the exhaust? It sounds kind of quiet in here, but if you rev it, you're gonna hear it for sure. Well, obviously, you're gonna hear it because any car you rev, you're gonna hear it. Dummy. But anyways. Doesn't it sound amazing, guys? Yes, it does. Wow, I'm just entering for you guys, but inside the cabin, it sounds great. It sounds like a race car. Well, I can't have said that, but it does. Sounds like a race car. But also, as the other thing I want to give you a heads up, it does drone in the car. I'll say roughly 60 miles per hour and up. 5th gear and 6th gear, you will hear it for sure, no problem. That's when you blast the music. Just give me a heads up. You will blast the music because I do all the time. Because the droning is not fun, but it's there. You still hear the droning with 12-inch resonator, so that means if you go non-resonated exhaust, you will definitely hear droning all the time. It will be crazy annoying, but guys, you gotta deal with it for the gains. Do it for all the gains. But anyways, I'm gonna have a clip for you guys doing a POV shot in a second. A little quick launch. Not bad. Not bad. It doesn't sound so bad in here. Ooh, there's traffic though. Alright. Going 70 miles per hour, and there's a slight drone in the car. You guys can hear it, I hope. But yeah, there's a slight drone in here. But alright guys, you saw some shots of my POV shots, me taking off, driving 50, 60 miles per hour, so you can hear it. Exhaust clip from the outside, my GoPro setup. But whew, guys, it sounds amazing, right? Yes, it does. I drive this car every single day, and I cannot lie to you guys. I love it since day one. I would say it is the best sounding exhaust out there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was amazing. I'll talk the prices in a second. I'm just gonna say, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it, guys. If you want tone, performance gains, and all the good stuff with the exhaust, I would say Fast Attention's exhaust is the way to go, because it is the only way to go. I'm joking, guys. It's all about preference, like I always talk about. It's preference. This is my preference. True Duo exhaust with performance gains, and it looks good. It sounds good. It all checks off for me, guys. It's a fun car, guys. It's just a fun car. I can't front for you guys. It's a fun True Duo exhaust. I've been in love with it since day one. Like I probably mentioned earlier, I went stock exhaust, no exhaust, and this exhaust. And I wish I had a clip for you of the no exhaust, but it was just stupid loud. I couldn't deal with it. I daily like that for like what, 2 or 3 weeks. But let's talk about some other things about the exhaust. I'm just gonna tell you guys, I bought it on spur of the moment 2 years ago. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is an expensive exhaust, but it's worth it. Especially after you tune it, it's gonna be even better. It did cost me about $1,100 at the time, and I looked online recently, it's about the same price still. And I'll recommend it for you guys if you want a nice tone, it sounds good, and possibly shoot flames, because my Z shot flames before and it's not tuned. That's right, guys, not tuned and shot flames. If you guys want to see it, click on the link above me. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. Does it sound good? I hope you guys say yes, but let me know in the comments below, because I love this exhaust and I hope you guys do too. Since day one, I've been in love with this exhaust. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're ready to subscribe? Thank you very much. If you haven't, please hit the smash button. Don't forget, also follow me, IG ZThruCharlie. I post there a lot. You already know what I'm gonna say. It has been a journey with the Z, with the exhaust, true dual exhaust, and I'll be doing a dyno eventually because I want to get some stock number pools for you guys. Dyno sheets is always the way to go. Look at it, guys. I just can't stop looking at it. My car is very dirty. I need to wash this. But anyways, guys, it's been fun making this video for you guys. Well, I cannot lie to you guys. It just sounds amazing. I just keep talking about the exhaust. I'll recommend it for you guys. It's fun. I'll see you guys next time.